Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Oval RC, and today I'm down here in Willingsboro, New Jersey at RC Car World. We're checking out some of the road racing going on down here. I'm hoping maybe we can catch some of these Euro trucks. It's something I kind of have an interest in. We'll go around and talk with some of the guys, find out more about it, and maybe we'll see some of the trucks in action. All right, I have one of the guys here at RC Car World, and we are at the road course races. And what class do you race down here?
Euro truck, baby.
Euro truck? That's why I'm here. I wanted to check out these Euro trucks. I think they're pretty cool, but I know nothing about it. Why don't you tell me a little bit about it?
Same motor, everybody's got to run the same speedo.
Okay.
I mean, same servo saver. I mean, it's out of the box.
Is one body better than the other?
Not really.
No?
And
Okay.
they're one of these little Fox bodies now, but them little pan nose bodies are killing it. You know what I mean? They're out here killing it.
So that's a conventional body, right?
This is the one, the upgraded body. They have the ones with the flat nose originally they came out with.
Yep.
So now we're working with these, and these seem to be working good, but these guys are out here with the flat trucks, and they're killing it too. So really, I don't think the body matters. They go so slow, you know, it really don't matter.
How important is gluing the tires?
Gluing the tires is everything. You got to glue the tires up just so you don't
take a look at that there.
Yeah, if you don't do that, you're going to traction roll all day on the carpet with these rubber tires. Yeah.
So he's talking about putting some glue on the outside of the tires here.
First tread there, baby.
And if you don't do that, you're going to get way too much traction, and things going to traction roll, right?
This allows you to slide right up real nice. Get some real nice lap times in, man.
I didn't catch your first name.
Vincenzo.
Vincenzo.
Yep,
That's a tough one. All right, this is Vincenzo's first time on the Oval RC channel, and glad to have him on. Thank you.
Sure, nice to see you guys, man.
Cool.
Get out there and race, spread the word, help the kids, man. It's everything. All you fast guys, help the kids, man.
This is a track that the Euro trucks will be racing on in just a little bit. I'm going to try to hang out here long enough to get a race for these guys and get them on my channel. This is all carpet, and the rails on the inside look like they might be made of some kind of PVC or tin. Yeah, the driver stand over there to the left-hand side. The pit area is over to the right. You have the shop store, which is right behind that. And this place is pretty unique compared to other hobby shops I've been to. You have an off-road track over on that side of the building. And back on this side over to the left, you have a drift track, which we'll check out too. Another part of RC Car World is the drift track side. Now we'll head on over and see if we can't get some Euro truck action. All right, with me today is
Wayne Gruber.
Wayne Gruber? First time on the Oval RC channel, right?
Yep.
What class you racing today, Wayne?
Euro truck.
That's why I'm here. I'm here to check out the Euro trucks today. How many Euro trucks do you have?
2.
Is it for different classes, or?
No, I actually bought the first one was the cab over style, and then they come out with a newer style. So I.
Which one do you like better?
The newer style.
The conventional?
Yeah.
Let's check out some of his trucks. This is some of Wayne's trucks right here, and Wayne likes the conventional style, and that's style that goes like this. The cab over is the style that goes straight up. Just in case you were wondering what that might be between the two. I think traction rolling might be a problem with the cab over style. Isn't that right, Wayne?
Yeah, they seem to bounce more than the conventional style there.
Okay. Well, hey, I want to thank Wayne today for being on the Oval RC. Nice meeting you, Wayne.
Nice meeting you too.
Here's another shot of that Euro truck body, the conventional body, and we have a couple more lined up on top of the bench here in the pit area. We can see RC Car World doing a heck of a good job teching each car before they go out on the track. Okay, so another new racer on the Oval RC channel is?
Chuck Eccles.
Chuck Eccles, how long have you been racing?
Since the beginning of time.
Why does your name sound familiar?
Because I've been at every track imaginable, and I race in every class there is.
So I'm here to check out the Euro trucks. I'm actually interested in that myself. How do you like that class?
Oh, it's fun. There is more challenging, so of course, but they're a blast at Aberdeen because it's a paperclip track. Yep.
All right, well, good luck up there. I'll be up just off the driver's stand. I'm going to get your race before I head out of here today. Thanks for talking with me, and I'm glad to have you on the channel.
I'm glad to be here.
Oh, nice meeting you. I know Chuck Eccles is in the fluorescent orange, silver top truck. Sylvia in the blue truck. trucks are lined up, ready to go in the Euro truck class. This is the C main. Start of the race underway. Got a good battle going for the lead.
Marshall the right, Chuck Eckles second. Chuck Eckles just got to stay smooth. Chase Martellas, go away for Chuck. Keep it smooth, Chuck. Chase leading under Chuck.
Oh! Battle for second place.
Fast Chuck right there. Leaders making through some traffic. Chase.
And we got a battle for the lead coming up. Oh, he hit the inside corner. Let's see if we can reel him back up again. Got that cab over truck bouncing around. The conventional just takes the lead. You can see how those conventional trucks seem to run a little bit flatter.
Chase, Pat, Chuck, William, Silvio, and
Chase, Pat, and Chuck. Got Chase, the leader, out front. Just getting around this track pretty good. He's got a big lead on second place. Second place rolling by there in the cab over. There's your leader right there. Second place.
He's got a comfortable lead. All he's got to do is cruise. Don't push it. Get lap traffic.
I have Chuck currently running in that third place. Chase just bobbled. Gave second place a chance to catch up a little bit. Oh, and the leader just ran into one of the infield rails. Gave second place a chance to catch up a little bit. Still got a nice lead. Still has a nice corner lead over second place.
He's got a real strong truck, so all he's got to do is cruise and not flip on the side. So be careful how hard you steer it there, Chase.
There's your leader right there.
You got to come to you, just cruise.
Second place not far behind him. And he bobbled. He's given second place a chance to catch up. And we got a battle for the lead. Pat has taken the lead. That cab over truck's bouncing along, but it is in the lead. Another good race going here. Working through lap traffic. There's your battle for the lead right there. And we get Chase back in the lead after some wreckage going down the main straightaway. And he's pulled out to a pretty big lead. There's your leader Chase, second place Pat. He's got a nice wide corner lead on him. Got a pretty smooth groove going now. You never know. See if he can hold him right where he's at.
Thirty seconds left for Chase. He's got about 2 seconds over Pat.
30 seconds left. Chase still out in the lead. Second place in the orange truck. And it looks like Chase is only a corner or so away from lapping Chuck. 5 seconds to go. It doesn't look like Chase is going to lap Chuck, but it's getting pretty close. All right, there goes Chase by Chuck. Chuck gave him plenty of room. Second place is a little ways back. Race is in. Looks like Chase is going to take the win in that gray and green conventional truck. So I hope you guys enjoyed some of the racing from RC Car World in Willingboro, New Jersey. I'm Mark with the Ovalrcteam channel, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.